the airport because we needed to rent a car. We just got it. He's gonna go grab it and pull it up to the front. Look at my handsome. Aww. Look at my girl. Aww. Hi. So yeah, we rented a little Kia just for a week, and then we're gonna buy a new car. We're just right now we need to rent one, but thankfully we're able to, and we're blessed enough to be able to do so. So I'm grateful that we're not stranded, and we're blessed to be able to get a rental. Yes, thank you, thank you, thank you. We came to eat and we were so hungry I didn't have time to show you. My bad. My bad. Pandy. I'm gonna end the vlog here at Panda because we're gonna go home. I'm gonna get the kids ready for bed.
Yours, Mommy.
Okay, just a little bit because it's soda.
Which one's
Say
better?
goodnight, vlog. Thank you for watching.
That one's better?
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like this video, comment anything, like, I don't know, just comment what you feel when you be watching these videos, if you like them.
Tell them to suggest us to go somewhere in Colorado.
Yeah, we're in Colorado, so suggest where you want us to go. Either solo like Mom Day or family adventure, the four of us. Or just me and my daughter, me and my son, or me and my mans. Let me know. Give me some ideas. But until tomorrow, y'all. Tomorrow's Tuesday. I'm taking my daughter to go see Moana 2. So I'll definitely vlog that. I'm excited just to have some mom and daughter time. It's been a minute, but love you guys. Thanks for supporting. Please subscribe to my channel. We're at 32 subscribers, so let's try to get to 100 by Christmas. That's easy. That's light work. Let's go. Bye. Bye.